Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we're going to have a blueberry chicken salad. What you want to do is start by sauteing up some chicken tenderloins in a little bit of olive oil, and of course season with salt and pepper. And then make sure to turn them every so often. They'll take about 5 to 7 minutes to cook. Again, remember to generously season them because you're going to lose most of it when you flip them. Okay, let's move on to the vinaigrette that we're going to have to make for this salad. What you want to do is you want to get a half a cup of olive oil into a food processor, a half a cup of white vinegar. You want the juice of 1 lemon. Again, if you're worried about the seeds, you can use a strainer or your hand. I just decided to say fuck it and get the strainer out. And then you want to add a 1/4 cup of blueberries. Fresh, frozen, doesn't matter. And then put the top on. And you just want to pulse until everything is well incorporated together. Transfer into a condiment bottle and set in the fridge. This will keep for about 2 weeks in the fridge. After then, I'd probably get rid of it. Remember, you have raw blueberries in there. Okay, let's start assembling the salad. This is 3 hearts of romaine that I chopped up. Along with that, there's a 1/4 of a green pepper that I chopped up. A 1/4 cup of chopped up green onions, a 1/3 of a cup of diced up, chopped up celery. And get your hands in there and mix all this up. Okay, then let's assemble the salad. So you obviously see, got our green mix here. And we're going to add some of the chicken that we cooked up and chopped up. A nice healthy dose of that blueberry vinaigrette that we made. And to finish it off, a handful of mozzarella cheese. Now, you could have had tortilla strips or croutons or anything else you want to add to this salad. Your choice, but I just decided to stop here. And that's really it. So that's lemon blueberry chicken salad. Done.